Welcome back to Tech Tutorials for Seniors and to episode 3 of our Claude and You series. In our first 2 episodes, we discovered how Claude can answer your questions and help you write almost anything. Today, we're doing something a little different and honestly, something quite magical. Today, we're going to create original works of art using nothing but words. That's right. You don't need to be able to draw. You don't need any artistic skill whatsoever. You don't need to buy anything or download anything complicated. All you need is a computer or tablet, a free account, and an idea. The AI does everything else. The tool we're going to use today is called Canva. That's Canva, and you'll find it at canva.com. Canva has been around for years and is already used by millions of people to make cards, posters, and invitations. But tucked inside Canva is a wonderful free AI image generator, and that's what we're exploring today. Here's how to get started. Open your browser and type canva.com into the address bar. If you don't already have an account, click sign up. It's completely free, and you can use your email address or your Google or Facebook account if you have one. Once you're signed in, search for Magic Media or AI Image Generator in the search bar at the top. You'll see a simple text box. This is where the magic happens. All you do is type a description of the image you'd like to see. It really can be anything at all. You might type a beautiful cottage garden in the English countryside on a sunny afternoon in watercolor style. Or perhaps a golden sunset over a calm Scottish loch, oil painting style, or something more personal. A cozy kitchen with a tabby cat by the window on a winter's evening, soft illustration style. Press the button, wait just a few seconds, and your image will appear, created just for you. Completely original, never existed before. You can also choose an art style, watercolor, oil painting, pencil sketch, photorealistic, or vintage poster, among many others. Each one gives your image a completely different feel. And if the first result isn't quite what you imagined, simply adjust your description and try again. Add more detail, mention colors, time of day, a season, or a mood. The more you describe, the better the result. Once you have an image you love, you can download it, print it, send it to family and friends, use it as a greetings card, or simply enjoy it on your screen. Some people even have their favorite AI creations printed on canvas to hang on the wall. Think of the possibilities. A landscape of a place that's special to you, a portrait of an imaginary character, an illustration for your grandchild's bedtime story, a painting of your garden as you'd love it to look. The only limit is your imagination. And with AI, that imagination now has a paintbrush. Visit canva.com today and give it a try. I promise. The first time you see your words transformed into a beautiful image, you'll be absolutely delighted. Your companion guide for this episode, with step-by-step instructions and example prompts to try, is available to download and print at www.techtutorialsforseniors.com.